and welcome to East TV. Today, our Head of Market Analysis, Martin Smith, joins me, Jessica Gao, for an update on our deposit funding and debt mix for Australian banks. Martin, what domestic assets and liability changes have the banks experienced recently?
Yeah, well, 3 out of the big 4 Australian banks have experienced a decline in business deposits over the last 2 years.
Yeah.
So NAB, for example, previously accounted for roughly a quarter of all business deposits. They've lost roughly 7% of market share, now account for around 22% of all business deposits. CBA has seen its share of business deposits also fall, now down closer to 20%. Westpac has also lost ground there, down actually below 20%. So ANZ is the only Big 4 bank to have gained ground for business deposits, up by 3.5% there to 14% of the total market. So aggregate Big 4 market share has fallen from 80% to just over 76% since the first quarter in 2013.
Okay, interesting. Which banks outside of the Big 4 have gained market share?
Yeah, well, the international banks have benefited mostly, such as Bank of China, SMBC, Bank of Tokyo. They've all seen their share of business deposits more than double, albeit from a low base. Among the Australian banks, ME Bank has increased its market share by roughly 100%. Really, it's changed its brand image there, offers a competitive 6-month term deposit there of 3.5%. So a lot of changes there for ME, which have been the business market has responded to quite favourably.
Okay, and what about customer churn? Has it gone higher?
Yeah, well, coming into the new financial year, we've actually seen a new decline in customer churn, surprisingly. Earlier this year, nearly half of all businesses were intending to switch their on-call deposit provider. That's now dropped closer to 45%, continues to fall. So rate differentials that customers require to change are very slim now, down to 0.004%, in fact. And deposit rates being paid across the board are obviously very low, so that may be why we're seeing customer churn start to decline. But it is an interesting trend and one that we'll be keeping a close eye on as the year unfolds.
Yeah, definitely. And that's all we have today. Thank you for your time, and we look forward to seeing you next time.